So, you're thinking about going to Cuba? Good. It's one of those places that gets under your skin, in the best possible way. It's not like anywhere else I've ever been. It's loud, it's vibrant, it's complicated, it's absolutely beautiful. But here's the thing. Going to Cuba isn't like booking a trip to Paris or Tokyo. You can't just show up with your credit card and a vague plan and expect everything to fall into place. Alright, first things first, this is non-negotiable. Forget your credit cards. Seriously, put them away. Your American Express, your Visa, your MasterCard, they're basically useless in Cuba. I thought I'd find an ATM or tap my card at a restaurant. Wrong. So incredibly wrong. You're entering a cash economy. Without cash, you'll have a very, very bad time. Bring the money you plan to spend in cash. US dollars work, but get hit with fees. Pro move. Bring euros or Canadian dollars. Exchange only at official Cadeca houses. Avoid street dealers. Get your receipt. Ask for small bills. The local economy runs on small transactions. Paying with a 1,000 peso note is a nightmare. Carrying smalls makes everything smooth. Water, tips, quick taxis. We are addicted to the internet. Maps, translation, everything. In Cuba, you have to go through withdrawal. Freely available Wi-Fi? 5G speeds? Pull out your phone and search? Delete that from your brain. Internet is limited and slow. You buy our cards from Atexa and use them at public hotspots. Connections drop constantly. Think quick emails and an "I'm alive" message, not streaming. Solution: go analog. Front-load your digital life. Download offline maps, the entire island. It was my lifeline. Download an offline Spanish translator, screenshot addresses, hotel confirmations, and important info. Pack your phone like a preloaded library that needs zero signal. You can do hotels, big lobbies, room service, concierge, but you'd miss the soul. Casas particulares, licensed rooms or apartments in family homes. Look for the blue anchor symbol. Cheaper than state hotels and 1,000 times more authentic. You're a guest in someone's home. You hear daily life, smell dinner on the stove, and that breakfast. Always say yes. Fresh fruit, eggs, bread, strong Cuban coffee, often served by the family matriarch. Your hosts are your local guides. Best food, fair taxis, what's really happening, even transport. It's not just a transaction. It's the beginning of a relationship. In most cities, you tap an app. That's not how it works here. Transport is a puzzle you solve daily, with patience and a little hustle. Main options: taxis, colectivos, and long-distance buses. The classic cars look amazing, mostly for tours, and they're pricey. For A to B trips, use standard yellow taxis. Always agree on price first. There are no meters. Havana to Trinidad? Taxi colectivo is common and cost-effective. They go when full. Cheaper than private. Faster than the bus. And a vibe. Via Azul is reliable and cheapest across the country. But book days ahead, ideally when you arrive in a new city. Forget the "I'll just buy it there" mindset. Shortages are real. Even sunscreen or a specific pain reliever can be mission impossible. Pack to be self-sufficient. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, Imodium, Pepto, motion sickness pills, prescriptions. Bring extra. Bring your own shampoo, soap, toothpaste, and toilet paper. Public restrooms may not have it. Ladies, bring everything you'll need. Power can be unreliable. A portable power bank is essential. Cuba mostly uses Type AB. A universal adapter is a smart throw-in. Pack a hidden emergency cash stash separate from your wallet, your ultimate backup. You don't need to be fluent, but arriving without a word of Spanish is a huge mistake. It puts a wall between you and the country. Making an effort is respect. It changes everything. Hola. Buenos días. Por favor. Gracias. Those 4 open doors. Learn. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Critical for taxis and markets. La cuenta, por favor. Permiso. Disculpe. Don't stick a camera in someone's face. Make eye contact, smile, and ask. ¿Puedo tomar una foto? Many will say yes, especially performers and car owners. A small tip helps. If they say no, respect it. Be a human first, a photographer second. Rule 1. Do not drink the tap water. Don't even brush your teeth with it. Always drink sealed bottled water. Street food can be amazing. Choose clean stalls with high turnover and locals in line. If it looks like it's been sitting out, skip it. Get travel insurance. It's mandatory and essential if you get sick or have an accident. Make multiple copies of your passport and tourist card. Photograph them. Email them to yourself. Keep your passport locked up and carry a copy when out. Backups of your backups save you from bureaucracy. In Cuba, you're a guest in someone's country, with a complex history and unique rules. Don't sneak past fences. Don't take photos of military, police, or airport security. Observe photo rules. Pay small camera fees. Support the institutions. Be observant and respectful. If you see a no photo sign, put the camera away. It's not hard. Tipping isn't mandatory like in the US, but it's deeply appreciated and can make a real difference. Be generous, be kind, be a good guest. So there it is, the brain dump. Everything I wish I knew. It sounds like a lot. Rules, planning, work. But here's the secret. It doesn't restrict your trip. It liberates it. Handle the boring stuff early and you're present. Not stressing money. Not panicking about being disconnected. Not stuck in logistics. See the Malecón at sunset. Hear rumba spill into the street. Have a real conversation in someone's home. Cuba will test you, but the reward feels earned. You don't just see Cuba, you feel it. Go prepared and it will change you. It definitely changed me. Thanks for watching. Now go book that flight.